32 megabit per second. I'm probably going to get the sound of the lamb.
Oh, sorry. Excuse me. Oops. There we go.
Wow. Okay.
I won't tell you how he does it.
Your ocean is different.
Yeah, I have a different ocean.
So, ladies and gentlemen, just enjoy with the iPod on, please, and I will explain you everything afterwards.
Maybe.
Is that a promise?
So we do we throw it go? How do you even...
I'm sure it's working out.
Exactly, and fry the baby in. For you, sir, it was some tattoo maltod extreme and grape nuts.
Grape nuts, I guess caramel.
Then after that, you got different seaweed, different shellfish, it was an oyster on the top, mussel in the middle, and cockles at the bottom. For you, sir, different mushrooms and baby bamboo. And after the foam on the top was made with clam juice and seaweed stock. For you, sir, some seaweed stock and vegetable stock. Thank you very much. It was lovely.
There were 3 different kinds of